Hey, welcome to a new video of my channel. Today we are talking about gambling. In the last video, the poker demonstration, I told you how to get raw flash and to control a full deck. And now I'll tell you how you can get 4 of a kind. To make it a little bit more effective and interesting, I will shuffle the deck of cards in this way that the one part is face up and the other card is face down. So it will be more difficult for me. Now I propose that I find one card, I cut to one card, and after that I will find the next 4 of the same. Let's start. Okay, we have the jack here. Why not take the jack? We don't need every time the aces. So, put it here. Now I have to find the next 3 aces, jacks. Oh, here is the next. Okay, wonderful. Now there are only 2 jacks left in the deck. It's getting more harder. Let's see. Oh yes, okay. The jack of diamonds. So we have 3 jacks and there's only 1 jack left in the deck. It's really hard to find the last one, but let me do it perhaps in a more fancy way. Let's see. Oh, this is not a jack. This is a 4. Okay, let's see. What do you think? Wouldn't it be great if I snap it here and it changes into a jack? Wouldn't it be great? Yes, would be very great, but okay. But let us do something different. When I go over there here, over the jacks, and let's see, they are all changed to 4s. Do you remember the beginning of the effect? We shuffled the deck face up and face down. They are all now in one direction. All are face down despite of the 4 jacks. I hope you like the effect. Thank you for watching and follow me to the tutorial. See you! Hey, welcome to the tutorial of this wonderful effect. Yes, it's a quite effective but also a very easy effect. As you see in front, there is a little setup. You have 4 of a kind, in this time the jacks, and 4 of the kind, the 4, alternated together. And the only thing you have to do, you have to put them on top of the deck, 7 of them, and 1 comes face up onto the bottom. You can start when it's already face up, or you can do it in face down, so you can handle the deck normally, and you can do a reverse to make it up, face up. So you are in this position to start. after a short story about gambling or whatever you like. You start by bringing the cards face up and face down together, and while you are in this position, the only thing you have to do is to make this move. When you do it fast, so nobody will be aware that you turn over the part, the under part. You can start it from this position when you have, for example, a break between, and when you take the upper half in this position, you draw it to the left, and then you can put it this way. So simply brush on the right and do this move. Then you simply shuffle the cards together. Only be aware that the 7 card on top will be not shuffled. So when you do it this way, there won't be a problem. So you can show to the spectator that face up and face down cards will be together. Now you start the effect to find the 4 of a kind, and you only do every time the same move. It's a double undercut. 2 cards. What you have to do is to buckle down the cards, on the bottom of the deck, the 2 cards, and hold a break above them. So it looks like this. And then simply make a double cut. It looks like this. Put the first here. You're in this position. And then simply undercut from here. And then here. And you end in the position that you have a jack on top and under it a 4. You simply make a double lift and put down the 4 here. The jack is on top. Now you do the same with the following next cards. Simply buckle down the cards. This position again, make a double undercut. This way, put it here, down, go up, up, and with the next do another double lift. Have here the 4, start here. Now you have 2 jacks on top. Do it the same again. You have 2 under there. Make a simple undercut. This, the 3rd jack, do a double lift again, have a 4, the 3rd jack is on top, and now you are ready for the last one, and the last of the 4 of a kind is now a 4 for the final climax. You simply have 1 card to undercut, like this, and you say make it a fancy move and do like this, for example. You can do the whole move as you like. Now you're in the position to say, oh, we've only 4, but we are looking for the jacks. And when you do this move, it looks a little bit mysterious. You can say, what about changing it into a jack? Would be great. Yes, would be very great. Then you do this and you end by showing the 4 of a kind. They are changed from jacks into 4. And as you did the whole thing, the whole trick, you end in this position by having the 4 jacks in the middle of the face down deck. So it's very easy. I think it's very, very effective. Check it out, learn it, and I think you will have a great effect to astonish your spectators. Hope you like it. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.